Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys. If you don't know what TheChartGuys is, it's a technical analysis community, and we just love this stuff, and we breed this stuff, and we make videos, and we talk about charts all day. And I want you to be excited about charts too. So check out chartguys.com. That's my pitch. Anyway, yesterday's video, we talked about a little bit about learning technical analysis and the patterns that we were in. It worked out pretty well. We had this hourly bull flag, and we saw this nice tightening range, and it extended a little further than I wanted it to. But in after hours and pre-market, you tend to get some wonky action because it's very, very little volume can move the price a big way. So I'm focused on what's happening in this big drop, in this hourly setup, and what happens initially in the morning. And initially in the morning, we see this big push to the downside. We drop all the way to that 18 support, and we had a little bit of a bounce, and there's a lot of action that happens inside that level. But what's important for this video and important for a follow-up is that we had that drop. This was a perfect technical setup, an hourly bear flag, which tells you that there is a big push by the bears. There is consolidation as they rest, and then another move as they attack again. And we hit the support, which basically is like a fuzzy cloud of people who are willing to buy anything that is offered around 18. At least they were over here, and we anticipate that maybe they'll do it again. And we can see that if we check out the 15-minute time frame, actually it looks better on the 5. Let's go check that out. On the 5-minute time frame, that when we first got down to that level, that's exactly what happened. We saw them buy up the shares available. We saw another attempt, 18 psychological held once, twice. We had a beautiful bounce, and finally when we got down here again, they said, you know what, we didn't have good follow through on that bounce. We're right back where we started. I'm no longer confident in this. I'm going to bail. And that support, that cloud that we had come to rely on and expect in the first part of our day is gone. So quick follow-up, hourly bear flag, great execution, great follow through right onto support, good bounce. And if you had recognition of that support level and watch those trend changes, and I might cover that in a different video today, a lot of money to be made on OSTK. So just one good example. They don't always work out, but we have to be able to recognize what's happening, and we also need to be able to recognize when what we expected to happen based on the technicals doesn't happen. And that's the cool part about technical analysis. It tells you what should happen, and it also tells you when it's not going right. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you made a little money today, and I hope you make some more tomorrow.